Hi, my name is Kevin and I'm going to make a game about the basic metals in Allomancy from the Mistborn first 2 books. I'm a beginner and I'm using the game engine Unity, Maya for 3D modeling and music composed in piano. So today I'm going to show you my game menu presentation. First of all, the prioritization matrix. I created this early on when I didn't have much of an idea for my menu, so there is a lot of ideas that I ended up discarded or replaced. But in general, there really is not a difficult to implement that is low value, so everything that I envisioned made it into the menu. Flow diagram. Using a flow diagram was really helpful to see the menu before creating it, by showing me how everything connects and what I needed for it to make sense. Lo-fi and hi-fi testing results. First, they told me that bottoms are too big. I made them smaller. To differentiate the bottoms to go back, I made them bigger and moved them to the side. Third is too simple, added more background elements that make sense with the design in mind. And fourth, differentiate the level select, added background elements and number them so you can tell them apart. The mood board, I had elements from the Mistborn books, the sense of movement, and the dark fantasy elements. Game menu references. For the main title, I have Super Mario Bros. 3 from the Super Nintendo, and instead of those bottoms, it will be play, select level, options, and exit. Then at the start of the level, this from Mario 1, and it will be similar, but the image is the Allomancy in action, the screenshot of the game. The title will be the Allomancy in the 11, and a short description at the bottom. Then we have for select level, we have sorcery as the inspiration, and instead we have the Allomancy as the title at the bottom, a longer description of what it does. The image represents the screenshot of the Allomancy in action. Mini style, we have the different fonts, the special characters, the color palette and how they look in the basic bottoms, and the icons and buttons used. Here is my lo-fi prototype, and here is my hi-fi prototype. Then in here I will show you an early 3D hi-fi prototype that I input in Unity. So you turn the pages right and left. You can go from 1 to 8, and it will just look properly like a book. Basically we have in the middle, you will click on it to select the level. The arrows will go to turn the page. You will have the X arrow at the top right corner, so you can close it and go back to the menu. And basically I will add more background art for each one, representing the iron, the steel, and all of the metals. And thanks for watching. That's my presentation of the game menu for Allomancy.